The Supreme Court has ruled against the Trump administration in the case of a man who was mistakenly deported last month on one of the flights to a prison in El Salvador. The court says steps must be taken to return him to the U.S., something the White House argues it doesn't have the jurisdiction to do. Scott McFarlane has the story.
It's been nearly a month since Kilmar Abrego Garcia was plucked from a street in Maryland by federal agents, detained, arrested, and flown with more than 200 others to El Salvador. After pleas from his wife that he has no gang ties.
Kilmar, if you can hear me, I'm still fighting for you.
And an admission from the Department of Justice that Abrego Garcia was deported by mistake.
The error that you are referring to was a clerical error. It was an administrative error.
The U.S. Supreme Court has intervened, upholding a lower court order that he be sent back to the U.S. Thursday night, the original judge handling the case, Judge Paula Zinnes of Maryland, ordered the Trump administration to facilitate the return of Abrego Garcia to the U.S. as soon as possible. The order gives the Department of Justice until 9:30 a.m. Friday to detail Abrego Garcia's location and the steps the U.S. has taken to bring him back. The development comes amid scathing criticism of the Trump administration for deporting 200-plus foreign nationals without any due process.
The Trump administration looks like more and more of a police state every day, and that's a country that none of us recognize.
The Trump administration has also moved to essentially cancel Social Security numbers for thousands of immigrants here on temporary legal status. The White House has said that could motivate immigrants to self-deport, but it's also a form of financial death, making it almost impossible to do business with most financial institutions. Scott McFarlane, CBS News, Washington.